Seniors at pharmacies, pill bottles labeled with high price tags, capital building, flashing headlines, medical drug savings big, historic reforms kick in. A major change is underway in America healthcare, and for millions of seniors, it could not come soon enough. This month, historic Medicare drug price negotiations officially take effect, marking the first time the US government is directly lowering the cost of prescription drug for older Americans. President Joe Biden at a press conference, HHS Secretary Xavier Becerra, prescription pills being shorted in a pharmacy. Under the Inflation Reduction Act passed in 2022, Medicare now has the power to negotiate drug prices directly with pharmaceutical companies, something it was previously barred from doing for nearly 2 decades. And this month, the first 10 highest medications see their prices cut, a move that could save seniors hundreds, even thousands of dollars a year. Graphics of the 10 drugs: Eliquis, Xarelto, Jardiance, Zenovia, Farxiga, Entresto, Inbrel, Imbruvica, Stelara, and Fiespo. So, what drugs are affected? There's the list of the first medications with new negotiated price. Eliquis and Xarelto for blood clots, Jardiance, Zenovia, and Farxiga for diabetics, Entresto for heart failure, Inbrel, Imbruvica, and Stelara and Fias treating conditions like arthritis, cancers, and insulin regulation. Combined, these drugs accounted for over $15 billion in Medicare spending in recent years. Senior opening pill organizers, pharmacists explaining coverage, animated graph of average out-of-pocket savings. For Medicare beneficiaries, the impact will be real. Lower monthly copays, annual out-of-pocket cost capped at $2,000 starting next year, and insulin costs are now locked at $35 per month. According to the White House, more than 9 million seniors take one or more of these 10 drugs and will now pay less at pharmacy counter. Pharmaceutical CEO testifying in Congress, lobbyists and protesters demanding lower prices. But not everyone is cheering. Big Pharma is pushing back hard, calling new law unconstitutional and a threat to future drug innovation. Several drug makers, including Merck, Johnson & Johnson, and Bristol Myers Squibb, have filed lawsuits to block the negotiations, claiming the process is coercive and violates their rights. The Biden administration says that nonsense. They argue that taxpayer-funded programs like Medicare have every right to bargain for a better deal. News clips of Biden touting savings charts showing Project Medicare savings through 2031. Still, the program is moving forward and it's just the beginning. By 2026, up to 60 more drugs will be eligible for negotiated pricing, and federal officials estimate the reforms will save Medicare over $100 billion in the next decade. That money, they say, they can be reinvested into better care, lower premiums, and a more sustainable future for American healthcare. Happy seniors at pharmacies, headlines believe at last, new era in drug pricing. For seniors who have struggled with the rising cost of their life-saving medications, this month marks a turning point. It's not a complex fix for America's drug pricing crisis, but for millions of people, it's a critical first step toward fairness, access, and affordability. Medicare drug savings, what you need to know. Price cuts 10 drugs as the August 2025, savings thousands per year per patient. Next phase 15 more drugs in 2026.